Welcome to Woo Woo Works. Could the secret to burning fat be hiding in your kitchen? These 5 woo-woo weight loss drinks may sound too good to be true, but they're packed with ingredients to torch calories, reduce bloating, and kickstart your metabolism. Stick with me, and I'll take you through each recipe, explaining not just how to make them, but why they work and how you can customize them to your preferences without losing their fat-burning power. The first tea is called morning milk tea, and is a delightful and simple mixture of 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, the juice of half a lemon, and honey to taste. Always add honey after the tea has brewed in order to preserve honey's enzymes. Enjoy this drink several times a day. Here's why these ingredients can melt fat. Green tea contains catechin and caffeine. Catechin can help to break down excess fat, while both catechin and caffeine can increase your body's fat-burning rate. For a swap, substitute green tea with oolong tea, which has similar fat-burning effects. Next is ginger. Gingerols, a compound in ginger, has an anti-obesity effect by helping you to digest food faster and speed digested food through the colon. In addition, research suggests that gingerols may stabilize your blood sugar levels. Keeping blood sugar stable reduces your urge to grab sugary foods for an energy spike. Now here's how this drink goes next level. When you take ginger and lemon together for weight loss, you get an extra fat-burning boost. Lemons can help to improve digestion, boost metabolism, increase fat breakdown, and help you feel fuller. By combining ginger, lemon, and green tea, you take advantage of an exponential effect that can significantly accelerate your weight loss efforts. The number 2 drink offers a zesty metabolism shot. Combine 1 cup of warm water with 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, the juice of half a lime, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. If you need to sweeten it, you can use whatever natural sweetener you prefer. Why are these ingredients fat-burning? Studies suggest that apple cider vinegar may reduce your body fat percentage, help you lose belly fat, and decrease your blood triglycerides. Apple cider vinegar with the mother, which is the cloudy stuff at the bottom, is a probiotic. Probiotics improve gut health, helping you to better digest and metabolize food. This means fewer calories are stored as fat and more are burned for energy. Cinnamon, and try to use the less common Ceylon version instead of the more popular cassia, is thought to increase your body's fat-burning process through a unique compound in it called cinnamaldehyde. Cinnamon is also a well-known anti-diabetic spice. It helps slow the absorption of sugar from the blood after eating a high-carbohydrate meal. Limes contain citric acid, which can boost metabolism, helping you burn more calories and store less fat. Don't care for limes? Just swap it out for lemons. At number 3 is a golden glow latte, which is as comforting as it is powerful. Heat 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, stirring in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, and honey to taste unheated, for a touch of sweetness. Studies suggest that curcumin, the main compound in turmeric, can help with overall weight reduction, reduce fat, and decrease your body mass index. Curcumin may also improve your body's ability to metabolize fats and sugars. Black pepper can help increase your body's ability to absorb turmeric's beneficial compounds by increasing its bioavailability by a whopping 2,000%. Allergic to almonds? Try coconut milk. While it is more caloric than almond milk, coconut milk contains medium-chain triglycerides, which are also known as MCTs. MCTs boost thermogenesis, your body's ability to create heat, resulting in you burning more calories, which will help you lose weight. Number 4 is a simple, spicy detox water. Just combine roughly 4 cups of water with about a teaspoon of grated ginger and half a teaspoon of cinnamon, preferably Ceylon. Let it infuse for a few hours before drinking. If you need extra sweetness, add pure stevia, allulose, or honey to taste. Drink several times throughout the day, either before or after meals, to increase satiety and fat burning. While I've already shared the benefits of ginger and cinnamon, here are 2 additional fat-burning ingredients you can add or alternate to the spicy detox water to set your metabolism on fire. The first fat-burning ingredient is cloves. Cloves promote digestion by increasing metabolism. The higher your metabolic rate, the faster you digest food and use it for energy rather than fat storage. Conversely, slow metabolism is often seen as a sign of being overweight. You can either sprinkle ground cloves into the infusion or make a clove tea and using the tea as a replacement for water. Here's an interesting fact. Do you know that ground cloves are one of the highest antioxidant foods you can eat? Its antioxidant value is 314,446. In comparison, the highly regarded blueberry has an antioxidant value of 6,552. Why are antioxidants important for weight loss? Antioxidants can reduce inflammation, which can slow down metabolism and can lead to weight gain, improve insulin sensitivity, and increase energy production. Another antioxidant superstar, cumin, works similarly to cloves. It can drive weight loss by promoting fat burning, increasing metabolism, stabilizing blood sugar, and even suppressing your appetite. You can add cumin powder to the infusion or turn it into a tea, replacing the water. At number 5 is a nighttime fat-burning tea. Combine 1 cup of chamomile tea with the juice of half a lemon and honey to taste, added after the tea is brewed. Chamomile tea reduces stress. Elevated stress causes an increase in the stress hormone, cortisol. Increased cortisol can lead to weight gain by increasing appetite, slowing metabolism, and causing the body to store fat. Even worse, the fat stored is typically belly fat. Chamomile not your cup of tea? Try rooibos or lavender tea. Both these alternatives have similar cortisol-lowering benefits. These 5 magical drinks are more than just tasty. They're your quick and easy solution to support fat burning, boost metabolism, and help you to finally fit into your skinny jeans. Which drink will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and woo-woo ideas to transform your health. Cheers to your success, one sip at a time. Until next time.